Welcome to John Deere Des Moines Works. We're honored to have you with us and to have the chance to share with you who we are and what we do. We take great pride in knowing that the equipment we build today will help feed and clothe the world's growing population tomorrow. The story of what we do today really began during World War II when the government constructed the Des Moines Ordnance Plant here in 1941. The plant operated throughout the war until September 1945. During that time, the plant made billions of rounds of 30 and 50 caliber machine gun ammunition in 279 buildings sprawled across 4,400 acres of land. After the war in 1947, John Deere bought the industrial area of the plant, including 590 acres of land and 37 acres of building space. It wasn't long before the first John Deere machine rolled off the line in April 1948, a 226 corn picker. At the time, John Deere Des Moines Works employed 570 people. Today, that number has nearly quadrupled to more than 2,000 people. Together, we're building on the John Deere tradition with integrity, quality, commitment, and innovation to produce a powerful range of self-propelled sprayers, cotton pickers, tillage equipment, and grain drills. Today, you'll get an idea of what goes into making the equipment that makes a difference around the globe. It starts with vision. Our engineers continue the spirit of John Deere, looking at new ways to meet evolving needs through product design. In a company-wide process that begins and ends with customer input, our primary goal is exceeding customer expectations. State-of-the-art computer design capabilities allow engineers to test their imagination to find fresh ways of meeting changing field needs with designs that allow for efficient, quality-focused manufacturing. Building products worthy of wearing John Deere green begins with the best raw materials. High-quality steel is cut and shaped using computer-guided lasers. From here, we combine the efforts of man and machine, drawing on the talents of expert manual welders and using the latest robotic techniques to create individual components. Then it's on to the next step. Components enter a multi-stage wash system to prepare for painting. Here, an e-coat process uses a positively charged paint bath and a negatively charged part to draw paint into every single crevice for a smooth, seamless coat. In the same way, negatively charged powder top coat paint is attracted to positively charged parts and cured at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The result? A proven paint process that deters corrosion and enhances appearance for a finish that is John Deere green and John Deere durable. Building the best starts from the ground up. Welded steel forms the foundation for our powered cotton harvesters and sprayers. From here, sub-assemblies, elements like the power module and the round module builder, are built and tested in areas parallel to the main assembly line before being added. This just-in-time component delivery allows for machines to be customized without downtime or assembly line changes. We continually look for ways to make our best even better. One example is the tillage equipment we build. Today, robotic assembly allows us to create our next generation disc series that is larger and heavier than those of the past. This robot has the flexibility to grip multiple parts from a tiny 4-ounce washer to large 120-pound gang bolts. The robot will select over 50 different parts with over 250 different combinations based on specific customer requirements. Station by station, step by step, each machine takes final form. Along the way, assembly teams add new components and make frequent checks to ensure superior John Deere quality. Every John Deere is made to order and fully customized to match each customer's needs, as individual specifications for each product are delivered to workstations throughout assembly. These flexible manufacturing processes and efficient operations allow multiple product configurations to be created on the same assembly line. In the final stage, each vehicle is started and run, and multi-point checks are made to assure proper assembly and operation. cotton picker ground velocity and picking unit speed are also synchronized during the stage. Delivering an unmatched John Deere experience means building the best, then testing its limits with an extreme battery of trials. Using a controlled environment, our test group subjects equipment to the real-life demands of the field and beyond. Teamwork is a timeless part of the John Deere difference. That's why the solid relationship we enjoy with UAW Local 450 and IAM Local 254 is so important, with top-notch talent creating world-class quality. To support this excellence, we maintain ISO 9001 and John Deere Quality and Production Systems certifications. And we continually work to build superior results with our ongoing quality management systems. In just a few moments, you'll begin your tour of John Deere Des Moines Works. As you do, your guide will give you important instructions that will help make your stay with us safe, informative, and enjoyable. Thank you for being here and for allowing us to share our story with you. We're proud of the equipment and the difference we make. As we build and ship to fields in more than 30 nations, we're united with a common purpose, the drive to produce real results for people all around the world. Each day is part of our ongoing journey, a new opportunity to add to the John Deere story. And the reason, the thing that powers everything we do, is you.